Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful flower step by step. You can use it for hair clips, keychains, bags, and many other crochet projects. So, let's get started. Start by making a magic ring and chain 3. Work 15 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch. Create the petal loops. Chain 4. Now work 3 half-finished double treble crochet in the same stitch. Keep the last loop of each stitch on the hook. After that, yarn over and pull through all loops together. Chain 3 and picot stitch.
There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye.
Chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this process around the circle to create the base loops for the petals. And that's it. Your beautiful crochet flower is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, thanks for watching and happy crocheting.